Firebase Studio has been trending all over the internet. What actually is Firebase Studio and how it's different from existing AI tools and what it has in store for us? See, this is an amazing AI tool because it will let us create apps instantly by just with prompts. I can say, like, if we give a prompt, it will build an app instantly for free. Like, we don't need to pay for anything. So it's an amazing tool to have. So Google's Firebase Studio is all about creating applications instantly with single click. Let's try one thing. Like, all you have to do is like just give a prompt. If you have something in your mind, like if you have to create an app, just type your idea and Firebase Studio will take care of itself. Let me try an app using Firebase Studio. Let's suppose, like, many of us might need image size reducers or image converters or PNG to JPG or PDF to JPG or vice versa. We might need those utilities every day. So let's suppose I want to create an app which will do that functionality. An app which will let users reduce the size of images and PDFs, and also convert JPG, PNG, or PDFs to other formats, vice versa. So this is my prompt. I want an app which will reduce the size of images on PDFs and also convert one type into another. Let's click prototype with AI. So this is all that I'm doing now. I'm not doing anything apart from this. Let's see how it will do its job. So it's doing everything in the backend. You can also see the code here. You can see the code stuff that it's doing. It has its own ID. Like, we don't need to worry about everything. In general, if you want to build something, like, we need to have an ID like Visual Studio. We need to have many packages, many softwares installed in our system to do all those stuff. But now we don't have to worry about that. Like, I'm not doing anything here. I just gave my prompt and it is using its own IDE and it's writing code and doing everything. So, like, even people with no coding background can build apps instantly. So I'm now switching to prototype. Like, like, if you feel like you are not someone with coding background, you can just wait here. It will do its stuff and will give us the output once it done. Like, it has this guidelines as well. So I'm just clicking prototype this app. So it's doing thing now. It's doing its stuff now. It's writing code. It's updating files. It's importing packages, and it's doing everything. You can also now see the coding part of it again as well. See how it's adding files and updating stuff. It's doing everything here. You can click each files and see how it's writing code and all. You can see the source component of it as well. It's writing code by itself. We are not doing anything here. It's using VS Code, Visual Studio Code. In general, like, if you want to download all of this stuff and do, like, you need coding knowledge. Obviously, you need to have some experience to do this. But now we are not doing anything here because building apps is like, it's not an easy thing. Like, we need to have some knowledge of coding. We need to have some knowledge of IDEs, packages, libraries, installing softwares related to programming stuff. Like, we need all those stuff. But now, thanks to Firebase Studio, we don't need to worry about all those stuff. It will take care of all the things that like, one need to do to write a code or to build an app. It's doing its stuff in the backend. It's done. Like, it's almost done. The prototype is complete. Let's test with some live stuff. Like, the app is completed now. So I will upload one image, anything. Okay. Or I'm just uploading an image in my system, and I am asking it to compress the image by 50%. See, I have uploaded a PNG image. There is an option to convert it to another format or reduce the size. Like I just want the PNG file to be converted to JPG with 50% size reduction. I'm just clicking convert file and I'm clicking download file. The image has been converted and I have downloaded it as well. This is how simple it is to download files here. You can also convert it to PDF. It's possible with same conversion. Now it has been converted to a PDF. Just clicking. Now the PDF has been downloaded. So I have compressed this image and I have also converted it to different format. So my app for purpose has been done and it has named itself as FileForge. But if you want to make any changes, you can write here as well. So I am asking change the name to file size or files play. So I'm just asking it to change the name of the app from FileForge to Files Play. So just a small change. I just want the title to be changed. That's it. Not changing anything else, and it's updating itself. Done. So the app has been the app has been ready. And there is another thing that you can do as well. You can actually share this with anyone easily because it has its own hosting service as well. So you can just click that share option and it will be opened in another another URL. Like you can just copy this and share it with anyone easily. So this is how simple it is, like you to create something like this. And another thing is, like, I'm trying with my mobile phone. I'm just scanning this. I'm opening it in my mobile. You can see how I am doing it. It's open in my mobile as well. Or you can share the URL with anyone that you wish. So it's that simple to create apps instantly. And now, like, it's done. Like, it's simple. It's as simple as that. So try your luck with Firebase Studio. It's so easy, and you can build apps instantly, and you can share them with anyone as well for free. Like, you don't have to pay for anything. It's as simple as that. I hope you find this video helpful. If you think like it's going to change the way that we build apps, comment down your opinion on it. Also, if you think anyone else would benefit from this video, please make sure to share this video with friends or people that you know. Also, if you are a new visitor to my channel, please make sure you subscribe to the channel for more such amazing content on AI on regular basis. Thank you for watching.